Hi. This is a quick start tutorial for Mind Map Maker for Excel. I'll demonstrate the basic operations, step by step, to give you an intuitive feeling about how the app works. First, visit the subscription portal at uniformsoftware.com. Download and open the installer file. Click Install. The app launches for the first time. Visit the License Support tab. Make sure the status is licensed to your account. Start Excel. Go to the Boost Excel ribbon tab. Click New Mind Map. The WBS column is read-only. Choose Blue from the Template drop-down box. Choose No from the Split Chart drop-down box. Choose Curve from the Connector drop-down box. Click Refresh Chart. Click the node 1.2.1 in the table. Click Insert New Node 3 times. Change the description to AA, BB, and CC, respectively. Click the cell on the node type column. Pick the note type for AA, BB, and CC. Click the node BB. Click Make Child. Click the node CC. Click Make Child. Click the node AA. Click Move Down 3 times. Click Make Parent. Click Move Up 2 times. This is the final location of the new nodes. Click Export on the ribbon. Take a look at the options. Click Export on the toolbar. This is the output PDF file. Okay. We've seen that mapping a hierarchical list to a chart requires just a few clicks. Visit our subscription portal at uniformsoftware.com, subscribe from Microsoft Commercial Marketplace, and begin your 1-month fully functional trial.